Welcome to our channel. Today we how to update Substack workflow for scheduling posts step by step clearly. Start by logging into your Substack account. Navigate to your dashboard. Locate the Posts section on the left-hand menu. Click on New Post to create a new entry. Write your content as you normally would. Once your content is ready, look for the Publish button. Instead of clicking it immediately, choose the drop-down arrow next to Publish. From the options, select Schedule Post. Select the desired date for your post to go live. Next, input the specific time you want the post to be published. Make sure to adjust the time zone if needed. Once you've set the date and time, confirm the selection. Review your post one last time to ensure everything looks good. Click on Schedule Post to finalize. You'll see a confirmation message indicating your post is scheduled. To view all your scheduled posts, return to the Posts section. Here, you can see the status of your scheduled entries. If you need to make edits later, simply click on the post and adjust accordingly. Remember to check your scheduled posts regularly. This helps ensure your content is timely and relevant. That's how you update your Substack workflow for scheduling posts. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.